Hi guys, PJ here. I'm just doing an inspection underneath my car. I think I have a gearbox oil leak because I've been seeing some drips on the floor, and I can actually see now what the problem is. Yes. You can see there, it's wet over there, and you can actually see further to the back it actually gets onto the steering rack boot, and higher up you can see gear oil there. Now you may ask yourself, why is the gear oil on that steering rack boot? Well, it actually, as the shaft turns, the oil gets onto the CV, the inner CV and the cup, and then it sprays it on there, and it even messes up things a little bit. Now that is coming out of here. That seal over there needs to be replaced. Not a nice job to do, because you need to take off the whole CV, the inner CV. All these Allen key bolts need to come off. So you need to get to the cup, the CV cup, the flange, and then you need to, there's another challenge there, you actually need to compress that so that you can get the circlip out to get the cup off. So that's a job that I'm not looking forward to, but I will try and do a video on it when I do it. But guys, let me know, any of you who've done this job, if you've encountered a spring behind the cup, because I believe in some Mk1s there is no spring, and I think that may be older models. Let me know, and I will try and do this repair. I'll video it to share with you guys. Let me know what you guys think, and if you've actually encountered a job like this and you've actually done it, and what are the challenges you faced.